Bengine-vision vele. Bengine-phupho before. Bekhona uyazikalela isikhathi as umuntu ukuthi okay ngifuna ukuhamba ngigcine la. And then mase kula ngifisa nami ukuthi ngibe nento yami ebambekayo iphathekayo. Whereby basically ngizokwazi ukena but also ngisiza abanye abantu because you have a dream but also it has to actually become your support. So nami kufike leso sikhathi whereby I have to grow and also expand and support. As myself nami ukuze nabanye bazobona a good example baqhubeke na.
Oh, nice one, man. Congratulations on your new recording label. And I love these guys, man. They are so humble. They are so humble. I love it, guys. Stay like that. I always encourage people to stay humble, no matter how the birds can fly high.
Indeed.
But you guys always stay humble. Thank you so much for coming, man. I see totally headline.
We're about to close it, Mdu, and I've seen DX make huge numbers, and it's fighting DX.
Mduduzi Mncube has part ways with Inkabi Nation Records to start his own record label called Blackbird. A letter was published in all social media platforms that Mduduzi has left Inkabi Record. Also, rumors were circulating that Mduduzi has not only part ways with the label, he also banned the bridges, guys, of which chances of him going back to the label are very slim in case things don't go as expected at Blackbirds. In all that, we did not hear anything from Uputo Mtala. When I say Uputo Mtala, I refer to the owner of Inkabi Nations Record, Big Zulu guy, or neither did something for him like a farewell that makes the rumors believable and raise eyebrows to the followers of the label, because you can see from far away that Inkabi Nation is a united label and they treat each other like a family. Not up until Mr. Chatu Koto called Big Zulu at Ukhozi FM to hear his side of the story. After hearing rumors, now he wanted to hear from the horse's mouth. According to Big Zulu, Mduduzi did not live in a proper manner or respectful one, and there was a feud or conflict between the two of them that made him not to support or congratulate him on his new journey. Big Zulu believes that Mduduzi is not fit enough to take this journey. He still needed to learn a lot about this industry and more especially running a record label. Here's Big Zulu sharing his side of the story on the unfiltered interview with Mr. Chata Okoto.
Ngidingayo kuye ifocus more. Kunjalo. Yabo ayeke ukulalela abantu laba abenza ngathi bayamthanda bathanda yena bazonda mina basebenzisa yena. You understand? Because in after 1 year 2 years bengekho uzobe strugglisha kuyobe kubizwa mina futhi ukuthi Zulu siyacela uhambe umsiza. Ngimsiza kanjani umuntu ophuma ekhaya wadelela kangaphuma ngendlela right? Ngizoba honest mina futhi uThatha. Understand? But ngaphandle nje kokuthini ngimfisela ukuthi abe ne focus more. Kulolihamba iqalayo Bhuti Mdala abe ne focus enze sure angenziswa abantu izinto ifame le imngene ekhanda nanokuthi usene record company yakhe kumngene ekhanda, but only you find out ukuthi akazi kwakuthi ingoma ifakwa kanjani eradioweni, akazi kwakuthi ama interview atholwa kanjani. Understand? Udinga more focus. Iyo i-advice engamnikeza yona even if ulalele namanje ukuthi umfowethu ngamthatha ngoba ngimthanda ngangumfisela vele bona lokho ukuthi afike lapha ekhona. You understand? So ngiyafisa ukuthi aphumelele, ifocus ibe more ekhanda, ayeke ukuzwa ngabantu bezothi hey Big Zulu hayibona ndo ngiyithola mfowethu ngiyithola.
That was Big Zulu finally addressing the situation surrounding Mduduzi Mncube living in Inkabi Records. Guys, I don't know what to take on this one. You can leave your comments down in the comment section. I really love to hear from you, and please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon in order to be the first person to be updated whenever I upload a new video here on this channel. Once again, thanks for watching. I'ma see you on the next one.